Okay. Let's see. Good morning. Good morning. So it's raining here in Haymarket in Northern Virginia. And in order for me to get a portion of those 10,000 steps in, we do inside when the weather does not permit. So you have no excuses to get in your exercise. This is a version of a power walk. Not sure if the twins are going to participate, but Brooklyn, are you going to walk with us? Nina's going to walk with us. There's a modified version. I'm going to try my best to get through the actual version of it. It's 2,000 steps, which equates to about a mile. And let's see if we can do this, guys. We ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh, we ready?
I want you up off the sofa. I want you to start moving your legs just like my friends behind me right now.
All right. So we're going to start moving our legs. We got Brooklyn here. So you just start marching in place. So if you're wondering what we're doing this from, it's another YouTube station. And Dad's working right now. He's going to get his in. So we'll come back later tonight. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale up and exhale. Inhale up and exhale. Marching in place. Your feet are always moving. Up shoulders, up. Roll on. You're rolling up. So this is start of a warm up of your body. I see a twin coming in. Come on, Bryce. So it's a version of a mile, as long as you keep your, move out the way, buddy. So you're pressing your hands. So I use the Biggest Loser Power Walk. You can go right on YouTube and pull this up. Make sure you subscribe to the Howard Happenings. This video will be there. We're big arms and walking. Walk, Brooklyn. Make sure.
It's very important to walk.
Are we going, guys? Come on.
Especially if you're not used to this kind of movement, you can really turn those ankles.
Make sure you have your feet firm. Come on, back up, Bryce. They don't want to see you all the time. You're marching in place. Make sure your feet are flat.
Put your blanket down.
Good.
Come on.
As they share, your heart rate is probably coming up. Knees, make sure they're coming up. High knees, flat feet. Like you're marching in place. Bum bum. Come on, Brooklyn. Come on, Nina. As they share, never stop your legs. You'll get those 2,000 steps in. Now, put your hands on your...
Stay right here. Drop the arms down.
Drop your arms down. And move forward.
Just stay right here. And now,
move back. So this is getting some distance in. You move forward and back. And I'm right here, as you can see, in our living room. I just pushed our couch back. And I'm using this space. Now we're going to move up, walk forward. The kids love this portion. Marching. And then move back. We're going to do this a few more times. Move forward. Keep marching, baby girl. Pump your. Move it back. You're moving the length of your living room. Notice you have not seen me stop these legs. Moving up. We're at a quarter of a mile mark at this point. Make sure you keep moving. Move back. What's wrong, baby boy? I can't pick you up now. Come on. You can do this. Come on. So now we're going to side step. Side step. Side step. Make sure you watch your ankles. When you look down, watch your feet. Make sure your toes are pointed forward. Now we're going to do 2 steps to the right. 2 steps to the left. Make sure your abs is. Come on, sit down, boys. Now we're going to. This is like bob and weaving. Moving down.
It's almost like you're bob and weave. Low, high, low, high.
Low, high, low, high.
Look at this. They're looking really good.
Notice, keep moving.
Other side. 3 more times, nice sunshine. And 2. All right, everyone.
Keep going.
Side step. Side.
Now we're about to side step again. Side step.
Take your heels back behind you.
Now we're about to take our heels back behind us. 1. Let me turn around and show you what this looks like. This is what it looks like. Bring your feet up. Notice, little ones in the way, but we're still going. You can bring your hands in front of you to give you some balance. My heels are going behind me. Up. Now we're going to bring our arms in it. Pull, pull, pull. Keep going. Don't stop. That's right. We're going to keep our arms moving. Now we're going to bring our knees up, up, up. Don't put too much weight, he says, on the outside of your foot. Pull. Bring it to the front now.
Keep your arms right now low.
Keep your arms low.
Below your heart.
Below your heart. Pull, 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 pull.
Real good. Now take your arms above your head.
Taking our arms above our head. Still, notice, these feet are still going. It's how we're getting our steps in.
As long as you don't stop with the Patrick, you and I won't have a problem. You keep going. Same to you at home. As long as you keep moving, if you can't get those
Keep
arms,
moving.
keep the legs going.
Even if you can't get your arms with it, keep those. There you go, Nina's showing. You can always put your arms on your. Now we're gonna put a kick to it. Kick, 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 kick. Now your heels to the ground. Keep moving. Now kick up, up, up. Reach your arms forward. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. And 1. Then march.
All I want you to do right now is pump those arms.
Pump your arms. Pump Brooklyn. Pump Brooklyn. Pump Nina. Pump Nina. If you're anything like me, you are drenched. You can do it. Keep moving. Let me move these boys out the way. Come on, move over, boys. Keep moving.
Here we go. 10 more seconds. Real strong.
10 more seconds.
Get those arms pumping.
Pump. Come on, Nina, get it. Listen, we have no excuses for healthy lifestyles. We're at the half-mile mark. So, if you're still moving those feet, you have gotten to a half mile right there in your living room. So now we're going to side touch. Side touch. Keep your arms. Now we're about to do a knee up. 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 You're pumping. Okay, Brighton. You want to dig lower. You're going to feel your butt burning. Come on, Brighton. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on.
No, I can't help you right now. I'm exercising.
We're going.
I'm exercising. Don't
6,
cry. You're a big
5.
boy.
Your butt's probably burning. 2 and 1. Now we're marching.
You're a big boy.
It's okay. Notice, there are times I gotta pick him up. Keep marching.
Big boy.
Sit down. It's okay.
You're a big boy.
Keep marching. Just put him down. Step, touch. Step, touch. Step, touch. Step, touch. We're about to do the other side of that butt burner.
Right.
Now pull that other knee up. We're doing the other side. Pull it up. So you're almost jogging in place. Keep pulling. Get it, baby girl. So I know you see here the kids in the background. This is the reality of life, guys. Pump, pump, pump. Yep. 8, 7, 6, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now march.
Okay, here's what I want. We're going to move back forward. And then
Right now we're about to move forward and back. Just to get some distance going.
move forward.
Move back. Length of your room. Move forward and back. Move forward. Remember, keep your feet moving.
And back. Hold right there. Hold it.
Then hold.
Good. Keep it strong. We're going to do
Keep it strong. Keep those arms pumping.
right here.
Hey, hey, hey.
Sit down, baby boy.
Hey, hey.
It's okay. So now we're about to forward. Tap.
You're going to take that out.
So, forward. And we're about to go bowling. Swing. Swing. Have it controlled like you're going bowling. This is moving with those arms and legs at the same time.
Excellent job. Let's get 8 more.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Be happy.
1. Let the arm go.
Look forward.
Now look forward. Keep marching.
That's it. 4 more.
Keep those legs going. 3 more.
Guys, 3/4 of a mile.
We are 3/4 of a mile. 1 more quarter. And we're almost done. Keep going.
Be happy. Be happy, Brighton.
Let's tap. Tap it. Bryson, come on, sweet pie. Come on. Come on. We'll do it with me. Come on. Don't give up. Hold on.
Bowl. Bowl.
So I'm bowling with the child. Go to Nina, buddy. This is the life of twins. Bowl. Bowl. This is my bowling arm. Bowl. Make sure if you got the child, hold on to them. I'll get you bowl next, all right, buddy? I'm staying. All right, everybody wants a turn now. I'm simply getting my bowling arm in. All right, go to Nina. Keep those arms going. Hold on, go to Nina.
Okay, big girl.
So now we're keeping our legs going.
And walk.
Let's walk. Come on.
Now, we're going to have a few.
We're going to do an integral here. Bryce, you gonna do the integral, mommy? Okay.
It's time to really shoot that.
Keep breathing. Come on, let's march, mommy. Come on, march. March. Where are you, Brooklyn? Come on, march. Come on. My legs are still going. So Nina's gonna go on the regular pace. I'm out of the breath, but we're gonna go for a fast sprint in place. Ready? Go! Right in place. You're pumping as fast as you can. Keep going. Nina is still just walking in place. My legs are going quickly. Keep going. Wait, baby, wait. Come on, run with me. 4 more. 2 and 1. Now we're walking. I'm sweating. You may be sweating as well. Woo. You're not sweating, baby girl.
Stay right there. Nice and low.
You can rest your hands if you need to. We're about to do another sprint. Back up, Bryce. Come on, back up, baby. Come on. 10 more seconds. We're about to do another sprint. Ready? Stop screaming, baby. Back up, sweetie pie. Run. We're sprinting. This is halfway mark with our sprint. Keep going. Try to go into that full out sprint. This last few bit. Keep going, keep going. And hands on your hips. And walk. Keep marching. Focus on the breathing. Woo. Inhale. Exhale.
Gotta get down there.
Inhale. Arms up. Exhale. Guess what, guys? We are reaching the end. And you have walked almost 2,000 steps in your living room. You've seen me do this with the kids. First time here. I'm live with it. And you have done it. You did it, guys. If you have your step counter on, you've done 2,000 steps. Hold on, yes, 2,000 steps right there in your living room. Congratulations, guys. Thanks for checking us out. The Howard Happenings.
All right, welcome to your walk number 2.
You're always welcome to come back to this. Hit that subscribe button if you like the video. Subscribe.
I have enough.
All right, let's get some water, guys.
And down.
Woo!
Is that 4